So I bought the SawStop because I need to make sure I don't chop my fingers off. But it does get set off. So the goal of this is that if your finger's near it, it can sense your finger. It puts a brake on. Once the brake goes on, the blade drops really quick. And I haven't seen it go off because, of course, I haven't gotten my finger near, thank God. But today I finally triggered it, and it really sucks because you do have to replace the blade and the brake when this happens. So I'm sort of sad because I've been avoiding cutting wet wood because it can trigger it. But apparently also I was trying to reuse this piece of scrap, and it must have been triggered by some of the charring and stuff from laser cutting that I've been doing. So unfortunately, now I have to replace my blade. But so that's a heads up. If you happen to be trying to cut something like that, you might have issues. And I actually don't even know how to get this thing off. And it's probably warm right now, but I'm a little sad because that sucks. And I'll have to replace it. But I think if you just want to see, I think that's where you could see the brake and how it breaks, I'm assuming. Trying not to hurt myself here. That's pretty impressive though. Cool. So, rough day. This was not really how I wanted to end my day, and I think I would feel better about it if I'd almost chopped my finger off because it was just the wood. That kind of sucks, but I didn't think about it maybe triggering by this, so it's good to know that can trigger it. So, now you know. So frustrating. I'm hoping I can order in the mail because the place I got this from is super awesome, but it's super not close to my house. It's like a 45-minute drive, and I really don't want to drive 45 minutes to get a blade. But yep. Yeah. But your fingers will trigger it, and the blade drops, and the brake comes on, which is amazing and super awesome and totally worth buying a new blade occasionally if you fuck up. But it kind of sucks right now that I have to replace this. So just kind of understand what might trigger your machine, because then you can avoid expensive new blades and brakes.